I'm going first. Got myself Skyrim. Killed Alduin the dragon.
Oh my god.
Did I see wrong? He's a pansy wagon.
No, I can't beat that. No, I can't beat that. Dragon. Oh, no. I forfeit that round.
That's bullshit, Ron.
Fish.
Ron starts this.
You're a selfish. No. Ron, think. Think for like 10 seconds. No, don't. No, go look at him. Fish. Kish. Kish, really? Not a word. I asked Santa for Christmas, and I wish something better than you, so I got a fish.
What the fuck? Shut up, James.
So terrible.
Okay.